Welcome back to the channel. Dustin here from the Gravity team. Selling gift certificates on your website can be an effective way to connect with your customers, reach a wider audience, and importantly, increase your revenue. In this video, we're diving into how you can sell gift certificates right from your WordPress site using Gravity Forms. One thing to note is that Gravity Forms isn't a full e-commerce platform, so the setup we will cover in this video is best for selling gift certificates that are redeemed in-store or in person. With that in mind, let's jump in. I'll get started by heading to my WordPress dashboard and creating a new form. Gravity Forms includes a helpful built-in gift certificate order form template that we can use for this example. This form can be customized to your liking. For instance, I'll add a few more options to the gift certificate amount field and change the field type from radio buttons to dropdown. Next, you'll want to add a payment field to your form, such as Stripe. Just note that before you can accept payments with this form, you'll need to set up a Stripe feed. We have a detailed guide on getting up and running with the Stripe add-on, linked below. Once I've set up my feed, I'm going to head back to the form builder and enable additional payment methods within the Stripe field settings. This setting will allow users to use payment methods like Google Pay or Apple Pay with this form. I'm also going to enable Stripe Link, Stripe's accelerated checkout method. Next, let's look at how to deliver the gift certificate once someone makes a purchase. The simplest method for delivering your gift certificate is through notification emails. You can send one email to the buyer confirming their order and another to the recipient with the gift certificate details. Using merge tags, you can automatically include the recipient's name, gift amount, and even a personal message. It's also a good idea to include the entry ID merge tag in the notification email that is sent to the recipient. This merge tag can serve as the gift certificate ID number that can be checked off once the gift certificate has been redeemed. Once you have everything set up, be sure to save your settings. Then embed your form on a page or post and you're all set. Selling gift certificates is a great way to drive sales, attract new customers, and give your audience an easy way to share your business with others. If you found this video helpful, consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more Gravity content. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next video.